How to create Steam account on mobile devices. Now let's get started. Open any of the browser. Now search for Steam Sign Up. Now click on this very first website option, create your account. With that, you will land to this kind of page. Now you have to fill these. Firstly, type in your email address. To confirm your email address, you have to type in again over here. Now you have to select your country and then you have to check in for this option, I'm not a robot. Again, check in for this option, I am 13 years of age or older and agree to terms of the Steam. After you fill these, tap on the option of continue. Now you have to verify your email address. So you can close this and open your mail and check whether you have received an email from Steam or not. You can see that I have received the mail from Steam. You will also receive similar kind of mail. You have to open it and tap on the option of verify my email address. Email verified. After completion of email verification process, now you can close this and open the browser in which you were trying to create the account. After completion of verification, you will see this kind of page. Now you have to type in Steam account name. Likewise, you have to generate password for your Steam account. After you fill these, you can tap on the option of done. And with that, I have just created Steam account. So this is how you can easily create Steam account on mobile devices. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.